Relying solely on 2D plans and 3D models to visualize a project has limitations. While useful, these resources cannot provide key stakeholders the same insight as a real tour. However, by harnessing the power of virtual reality, it is possible to close this visualization gap, enabling your stakeholders to better understand your design by offering them a total immersion in your project. Creating a VR experience may seem daunting, but by using the AEC collection, the process is greatly streamlined. It starts in Civil 3D, where existing conditions data is utilized to develop the design of the project. That data is then used in InfraWorks to allow you to see what the project will look like when built in the field. Using InfraWorks to aggregate the project design data is a key step in the VR production process, allowing you to generate compelling visuals that help explain and tell the story of your project. The model is then further enhanced using 3ds Max in order to create photorealistic images and video. It can then be utilized in presentations to shareholders to better immerse them in the project story. Moving from 3ds Max to 3ds Max Interactive, you're finally ready to generate your VR experience. 3ds Max Interactive is a gaming engine that empowers you to add a deeper level of immersion to the experience. Go a level below the surface of parking areas by adding controls that will allow you to see underground utilities. Enhance realism by adding in animations of cars and people to the streets and sidewalks surrounding your project. It's these small details that will immerse you in your project in a way that was previously unattainable. By creating this type of VR experience, you can view the project as if it was already built, allowing you to detect problems in your design that might go unnoticed otherwise. Using the AEC collection to streamline the creation of a virtual reality experience is one of the best ways to add another layer of visualization to your project planning, helping to increase understanding and accelerate stakeholder approvals for your project.